releasing.
These are one of the most eagerly anticipated top releases of 2023. Now, they did come out in America in November.
Mhm.
They were released, and
Yep.
they could not get enough of them. They lapped them up, and hence held up Australia's timeline in receiving them. However, we've got them now, so get excited.
So
And these are really cool. So these are 18 scale crawlers. Get your knife. Where's your 9 steps knife?
Oh, yeah.
Let's break into it.
I'm prepared.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, look, in waltzes our next special guest. Looking the part. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
Good.
Hello.
So these are Traxxas TRX-4M.
So if you're familiar with the TRX-4s, which have been out for a little while now, they're like the game-changing of crawlers, aren't they? So this is like a compact version.
Do you think the M's for mini or the M's for mid? I've completely opened mine face down,
Have you?
or car down, or truck down.
Well, mine would be different. What have I done there?
Look at
I feel
this.
like I'm losing stuff.
Look at that. Oh,
The compact.
look, the transmitter's bigger than the car itself. Car, truck. How cool is that?
So what do you got there?
I have got the 2021 or 2022 Bronco, and you have got the TRX-4 Defender. Now, don't mix the radios up because they're probably bound to each other.
Yes.
Are we taking the Glad wrap off?
I guess so.
This is just like unwrapping a sandwich today. Hey, look at
To
the,
keep it fresh.
look at the details.
Here we
Well,
go. Here we go.
nothing as fresh as Nen's sandwich. Oh, I bet you. Have a look at the glasswork. Doesn't just have painted body, it has proper glass.
What do you mean? Oh, it does too.
I don't mean glass as in glass,
Oh,
but
clear-
like as
clear
in
parts.
clear parts, which is really cool that it's not just painted with a sticker. Even on their 10th scale TRX-4, it's just painted with a sticker. So look at that. Super detailed. Now I've gone ahead and just whipped the body off mine. No body clips, which is really nice. I
How
have
did you get the body off?
a clip under the front. Well, it looked like I knew what I
Oh,
was
I
doing,
just
but I
do.
accidentally fingered it wrong.
There you go.
Yeah?
Yep.
Look at that. No body clips. Don't mix the cars up. I know they've got different bumpers. So let's have a look on the overhead beach. Let's get
Let's
in
go.
there. Let's have a walk through and see what we're dealing with. So we have got a constant four-wheel drive transmission.
Let's get that in focus.
Oh, there we go. We've got a 180 size brushed motor in there.
Mhm.
We've got little steering servo, micro.
Yep.
We've got a 2-in-1 that looks like ESC, like
Receiver.
speed controller and receiver.
Mhm.
So I can see that the motor's plugged in here.
Yep.
And I can see that the steering servo is also plugged in there.
Mhm.
And we've got lights. We've got a light channel. So it comes with LEDs factory fitted.
Oh, it does too.
Hey, how cool is that? They both have them in the front, I think.
Mhm.
You've got them in your bull bar as
I
well.
have.
Yeah, really, really quiet drivetrain. Tires that actually feel like quite soft and supple.
Oh, it's got this soft rubber battery.
Our next guest loves supple tires. It's his specialty.
How does this work?
How does what work? That's the strap for the battery.
Oh, there you go. So that unhooks from here.
Can I get the battery out?
Why not?
All right. I'm getting the battery out. Comes with a LiPo battery. Plenty of fire hazard and warnings on there. Don't lick it.
No,
No?
no.
Don't lick it?
As an advent liquor, you would not recommend it, would you?
I wouldn't lick it.
How
No.
neat is that? So it just gets strapped into place.
Strap it in there.
I like the idea of the rubber there because I'll stop it from.
Bouncing around.
That's right.
Nothing to lose the clips on.
Yes.
We've
Then,
got obviously this big safety tag.
Yep.
Now I'm not going to completely but yeah, so and this little T plug just plugs into the speed controller here.
yep, and it fires it up.
Does it?
Well, it's on now. Oh, look at the lights. The
It's
lights
on.
are pretty bright.
They are super bright. So that is really neat, isn't it?
It is.
It makes it really good for first-time RCers. In that it's nice and safe. There's not much to go wrong, and you can put it with juniors, which is really, really good because the TRX-4 Defenders might have been out of reach financially because they're quite expensive. Like they're $1,000 plus RCs with the batteries and everything like that.
Car.
So these let it obviously come much further down in the price-wise scale and make it much more available to first timers. Doesn't have portal axles. It's got straight through axles, which is nice and reliable. It's got nice big steering blocks. Yeah, I believe they don't come ball raced. So there's options to ball race them for maximum durability.
Yep.
There's gearing options available, and you can be bet that this is a brand new model. They're going to have a ton of
decent size, isn't it? It's small and compact, but it's
substantial.
It's going to be, well, that's right. There's a lot more there compared to, say, a 20.
And it makes it. I know I sound silly when I say this, but it doesn't feel like a toy.
No, well, you can even just see the way the shocks.
It really is a hobby grade product. It's something serviceable. It's made with all Allen key bolts, so you can take it apart, you can service it, you can look after it, which is a really great feature. And there's no wonder that they sold hundreds of thousands of these in America when they came out, because they're super popular.
Really easy to carry around too. Just stick it in your backpack.
Go for a walk. Take it on an adventure.
You got the universal drives here.
And I think once things slow down a bit, or when comes winter, I think we should take one on an adventure with us.
One of our adventures.
We can take it in the sights of Melbourne. Not one of your adventures. It could be a bit hectic.
Let's try my adventures.
And the body just clips on. Like I said, no body clips.
Yep.
Look at that. Nice and secure. Can't come off. Let's have a look at your one. And sits really nice with the battery. Look, feel the weight now. It's really quite substantial. We're on the so we've got the Defender and we've got the Bronco. And we've got these in a range of colors. But not as many as we'd like.
No.
And these ones here that we're playing with and stuff, these are actually somebody's cars. So it's very nice of them to let us do that.
Well, hopefully we'll get some more shortly.
Oh, for sure we will. These are going to be a staple product.
The clear parts are a nice touch.
Aren't they?
There's no distortion.
Really nice wheels. Really nice fixtures and fittings on the back there. These are going to be fun. They're not designed to go breakneck speed. They are meant to be crawlers. And probably one of the biggest criticisms that I've seen online with them is that they probably are too fast. So everybody puts the crawler gear ratio in and apparently improves them.
Okay.
Like the performance of their crawling straight off the bat.
Yep.
So you get the gear sets and stuff for them really cheap and hopefully readily available very, very soon.
Like it.
And you can bet as well that it's got the same TQ radio.
What's the full size radio?
Their other brush models. That's right.
It
feels quite substantial, and it's not like just a real rubbish cheap bit of kit. 2.4 gig. So you can have, I want to say 1,000 of these going at once on different channels. But yeah, that could be wrong. And beautiful box and box. What's in the box? Of course, there's instructions. There is clips. I'm adamant on breaking that little car.
I'm doing what?
Breaking that little car.
Where is it? Oh, did it go flying? Oh, there you go.
There it is.
Here's back.
If I'm not parking things on top of it, I'm throwing it off the bench.
Terrible.
Look at that. We've got preload collars.
Oh, okay.
We've got preload collars. We've got a wheel wrench, multi-tool wrench, a couple of Allen keys.
Yep.
Get you out of trouble.
Yep.
Full instructions, and you can bet that they're going to back it up with all online content as well.
That's right. So you're going to have all your spares listings in there.
Officially licensed products. Fantastic. That is the new Traxxas TRX-4M.